National Smile Month's product per day with Growing Smiles. Okay, so what are we going to look at today? How about an oral appliance cleaning kit? Now, if you have maybe a partial denture or even a full denture like this, or an orthodontic appliance, something like that, or orthodontic retainers or bleaching trays, or an anti-snoring device, or any sort of splint sports guard, if you're wearing Invisalign appliances, anything like that needs to be kept clean. So again, we're going to do the who, what, where, when and why. So all of the above as far as who goes. So if you've got an appliance that needs to be kept clean, it's going to go inside your mouth, so it needs to be clean. And these things can get quite smelly as well as dirty. So what you've got in the bag is, this is a whole kit that comes in a little bag. So what you've got is the brush, you've got the soaking bath, which goes inside your little tray there inside the main base of the bath. You've got 2 tubes of the oral appliance tablets, which totals in 60 tablets, which these are little effervescent tablets. And it all comes in a little pouch, which keeps it all nice and neatly together. This is great brush because it's got a comfort tip cleaning handle, which you can then get these little bristles right into all those little nooks and crannies when you're actually cleaning it. So where are you going to use it and how are you going to use it? So first of all, what you want to do is rinse your appliance underneath the tap. Give it a jolly good clean with this. If you've got a denture, you want to clean it over a basin full of water, because if you drop this on anything like this, that these are more solid pieces of oral appliance, drop them on an enamel sink and they will break. So put some water in the bottom of the sink before you start cleaning these things. But what you want to do is give them a jolly good clean. Use this end to get in round all the bits that are nooks and crannies, that particularly the bits that are going to fit against the tooth surface, or not the tooth surface, either teeth or your gum surfaces, okay? Make sure it's as clean as you physically can get it. What you want to do then is fill the bath with warm water, drop in one of the tablets, and what will happen is that will effervesce. Now, you use warm water, now finger warm water, don't go boiling hot, because that may warp and distort the shape of the appliance, whatever you're using. You put your appliance in your little basket, like this, and then pop it in there. And can you see how that's effervescing? So what that does is help to loosen any debris that's on your appliance, whether it be a mouth guard, sports guard, night guard, retainer, orthodontic appliances, bleaching trays, whatever. That'll just effervesce. So you leave that sitting for about 15-20 minutes. You can leave it overnight if that suits you. It just depends on what way you've been advised to use these things, and everyone's use is going to be slightly different. So always get advice from your dental practitioner on that one. Once you've finished, or you're ready to actually wear it again, or whatever way you want to do, take it out. Rinse it under running water, cold running water. Scrub it again, just to take off any other debris. And again, with these are lots of these little cribs that hold on the appliance onto the teeth surface, are really fiddly. So really get into those. Make sure you clean the bit that's going to go against your mouth. Rinse it out under your mouth, under water, and then pop it back in your mouth. So that's sort of a rough idea of what you'll do with that. Your dental team will give you personal advice, because this is part of your overall oral hygiene routine. You've got to make sure that you're cleaning your teeth, in between your teeth, brush your teeth every day, and then actually clean any appliance, anything that's going in your mouth. Gathers up plaque bacteria, biofilm, the same way as your teeth and your gums too, and it can actually then irritate and increase your risk of tooth decay, gum disease, bad breath. So the surfaces of many of these appliances are slightly porous, and that means that they're very permeable to oral fluids, so saliva and things. And if you've ever left a mouth guard or something like that in your kit, sports kit, for a week, you'll know exactly what I mean, as far as that they get to smell a bit. So these things need to be kept clean. Oral appliance cleaning kit is a really good piece of equipment to have to hand. So as I say, it's a great preventative advice and home care advice, part of your overall oral hygiene routine. So that's your National Smile Month product per day with Growing Smiles.